Hi, I'm Blythe Stevens of A Blythe Coach, dance education and coaching to move through life with balance, grace, and power. Today we're talking about a ballet topic of balancé, or the waltzy pas de valse, and how it's related to waltzing and other fun dances. What is more classic than a waltz? We think of the Cinderella waltz, which I'll be linking in the accompanying blog post for this, as well as Sleeping Beauty's waltz, waltzes in the Nutcracker, and many, many, many other favorite ballets. The waltz started out in the 1700s, making a jump from being more of a folk dance to being a courtly dance, and then, of course, became a ballroom favorite worldwide, with many different variations popping up in different countries. The close hold and the swirling movements did create a bit of a scandal in the beginning, but now the waltz is an important first step in developing rhythm for ballroom dancing, for ballet, and for many other styles. It kind of resembles a pony in that we're going down, up, down, that 1960s dance craze, or a triplet in modern dance compares well. Sometimes we'll go down, up in a triplet or down, up, down, but we have that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And there's a couple ways, or many ways, we could count a waltz tempo. They could be 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and so on. The Technical Manual and Dictionary of Classical Ballet by Gail describes balancé like this. Rocking step. This step is very much like a pas de valse and is an alternation of balance, shifting the weight from one foot to the other. Balancé may be done crossing the foot either front or back. Balancé may also be done en avant or en arrière, facing croisé or effacé, and en tournant, or turning. Agrippina Vaganova's Basic Principles of Classical Ballet describes balancé like this. Pas balancé. This is one of the simple pas allegro, which easily done even by children. In classical dancing is often used in waltz tempo. And she describes further, stand in fifth position, right foot front. From demi-plie, do a light jeté with the right foot to the side, and then draw left foot back on count 1. On count 2, change to the left foot on half toe, and on 3, lower yourself again on the right foot in demi-plie and raise the left one sur le coup de pied back. The next balancé will be to the left, i.e. jeté left, etc. The emphasis in waltz is usually on the 1, and in other dances in 3, there could be emphasis somewhere else, like in the mazurka where it's on the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There's nothing quite so free as a waltzing around a big space, elegantly swirling, twirling, swinging, and dipping. I hope you'll enjoy trying it out with me. To practice our basic waltz step, we will start with the hands on the hips and not worry too much about the arms just yet, and focus on the down and up. So we have down motions and up in our waltz or balancé. And then you can continue with a classical waltz or with a more stylized ballet type of balancé. It's a lot like that 1960s pony, do the pony, do the pony, do the pony, which is really quick version, and also a lot like a modern dance triplet, or a triplet from many, many other dance styles. In 3, it makes sense that there's a lot of different styles that use this sort of pattern and then style it according to the technique. So a classic waltz pattern could be either progressive or turning, and you'd be going either forward or backward, forward, side, together, forward, side, together, down, up, down, up, up, or backwards, down, up, down, up, up. So we're not necessarily working on the balls of the feet here. We are bending and straightening the knees. And that's a great place to get a feel for the rhythm and start building strength in the legs and feet. Then with our triplet or our pony, sometimes that's down, up, up, or it could be down, up, down. So you can continue with an understated swing like a waltz, or go a little bit higher down, ball of the foot and down, extending more through the feet, building more strength through the feet. All right. Then once you get the swing of that, we will add directions. So in ballet, there could be side and back, up, down movements with the feet. That's where we really get that swingy balance on the 1, 2, 3, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. The step can also happen to the front. Down to the front and fall back, down to the front and fall back. Or we can change the facing, forward and back, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, with more epaulement or twisting of the shoulders on the upper body. And there's even turning versions where we'd take our balancé as a waltz turn, a little bit like when we take a beautiful turning waltz step. So we'll get that rhythm of 1, 2, 3 in the body. You can practice with the hands on the hips and with the basic movement. Or I will also demonstrate some other directions and you can play along, as well as arm movements and upper body. Megumi Kopp of the West Hawaii Dance Theater has kindly given me permission to use her music in my videos. I appreciate that so much. She works from my home studio of West Hawaii Dance Theater in Kailua Kona, Hawaii. And this particular piece of music is the Skater's Waltz, Opus 183. And it's a big, sweeping waltz track that I'll link to as well down below and in the blog accompanying this. We can start in third position, in fifth, or in a B+ position, attitude à terre. So we'll take the hands of the hips, try down, up, down. Real slow at first. Nice. We'll go a little bit faster. Taking the foot to the back. Side, back, up and down, side, back, up and down, side, back, up and down. Pretty quick. You could take it at a slower tempo too. We can take arms if you like. We can go front and back. On both sides. We can even take it around the room if you want. Freestyle. Thanks for joining me for Ballet Balancé. I hope you enjoyed the theory and the practice of this beautiful movement. If so, let me know. Like this video. Let me know what you enjoyed and what you'd like to see more of in the comments below. And check out more on the rest of my YouTube channel by subscribing, or to my website at abelifecoach.com. That's ABLYTHECOACH.com. See you next time.